Hey everyone, I'm Jerry of the Fuji Guys, and in today's video, I've got the new GFX 50R. So if you're interested in knowing what's inside the box, keep watching. So without further ado, let's get right into the box. So it's a nice white box, a little smaller than the GFX 50S box, because the camera is a little bit smaller. So we're filming this video in Canada today, so there is going to be some supplemental information for warranty and registration that you're going to get inside the box right away. You're going to get some information about our Pro service as well, so make sure you read up on that information in there as well. You'll get 2 copies of the instruction book, one in English, one in French. And just put those off to the side there. And a little more information. So some really cool information that came out when the camera was announced was support for Capture One. So there is some information here regarding Capture One, where you can get the information, download, and what options are available for Capture One, as well as some just cautionary notes that you might want to make sure that you read up on as well about the AC adapter, as well as the subsidiaries around the world that might be able to help you after you've purchased your camera. So we'll just tuck this bag off to the side here. So what you can see on the top of the box is some QR codes, and these are so you can get the electronic copies of those manuals as well. So if you wanted to, for example, either download the remote release or download the instruction manual, you can use the QR code from your mobile phone. So here we have, and what's really nice about the GFX is that you actually get every adapter plug for every market. So we can just kind of pull out a bunch of them here. Pretty much anywhere you go, anywhere you travel, you're going to be able to charge your battery. There's going to be no problem with that. And there's the North American one. So I'll set that one aside. Let me see what else. So I think those are all the plugs that I can see in the box. And then we do have, as we did with the 50S, we do have a cable lock, or a cable lock that will allow you to for your tether cable, so that they don't end up yanking out of the camera when you're tethered. Let's just pull out the charger, same charger that you get with the 50S. So there's no difference there. And so if you already have a 50S and this is a backup camera, then this is just an extra charger for you as well. And then to just attach the adapter plate to the back, you just start it kind of on an angle on the top and just snap it into place. If you need to release it, just press that button and it releases, and then you can change to whichever one you need. And as with all of our X-Series cameras, you also do get the little eyelets, the little rings for the camera strap itself, the little leatherettes to protect the sides of the camera when it's attached, as well as a little tool to help with the actual spreading of the rings to be able to attach it properly as well. And then you get the nice premium GFX strap that's included as well. So there you go. So we have the new, or a nice padded strap. So there's your NP T125. And then without further ado, of course, we have the camera itself. And there we go, the beautiful GFX 50R. So let me just move that out of the way. And there we go. So I hope you liked the video. Be sure to hit the notification bell if you want to know when there's future videos coming out. If you want to know more features, like top features, or maybe just a first look, be sure to check out the other videos in the playlist. And until next time, I'm Jerry of the Fuji Guys.